Hi everyone, welcome back. I know I've been missing for a few weeks. I haven't had any videos out. I'm doing today Live Life in Flip-Flops, and I'm going to do it on this round 10-inch Chalk Couture board. I'm using the fuzzing cloth. I'm going to list my paste that I'm using. I've already got them open, trying to make this go a little faster, so I have them already. My fuzzing cloth, which is also in my shop that you can get. This board, 10-inch board, is also available. And the transfer is Live Life in Flip-Flops. Like I said, I'll have the description below. But I'm using Peacock, which is an in Vogue color from the Spring Summer catalog, and it is still available in the Last Chance on my site. Peel and reveal, and I want to peel straight up so it doesn't wrinkle, or not wrinkle but curl. That's beautiful. Give me a minute. I am going to turn the hair dryer on. Figure out how I'm going to do this. Haven't really picked out some colors, but haven't really, or paste I should say. I may have to clean these and dry these because I want to do these in different colors. Warm here lately. I don't know where you guys are from, but yeah, I like this. The reason I like this transfer so much is I live in Southern California, and we like to live life in flip-flops most of the time. And to use this again, so I'm going to lay this down here. Squirt that. Use my These sponges are also in my shop. I need a new one. Put this on my fuzzing, but the opposite way to dry it off so that I can reuse it again, a different color. Put all the excess out of it. And I think I'm going to stick here. To use this one, and I've labeled all these so I know which way to put the backs back on them. my battery died and shut off my camera, but I'm going to show you. I did finish this, and I wanted to show you a little bit of, I use this gloss cleaner that has no ammonia, it's ammonia free. It helps with the shadowing. I'm going to squirt a little bit of that, too much. And I'm going to roll my little makeup pointed Q-tip, and I'm going to clean up this little bit of mess here I have. It helps keep the from shadowing. You want to do it when it's dry. I don't think I have any more little mistakes. I wanted to zoom, you guys zoom in to see that and to see how it's finished. This out of the way. And I think I'm going to take this off. And should have had this off already, but this is the string that comes with it. Decided I may even add like I have ones with flowers or something I can put in here too. Add more to it, but I'm going to put this. Yeah, put a different little bow in it. Oh, I don't really probably find some flowers or something to put on it. Just wanted to add some color to it. But that's my project. Thank you for watching today. Please subscribe. Check out my website. All my links are below. And have a great day. Thank you.